Welcome back, children. In the last session, we have learned how cotton fiber and jute fiber is obtained from the plant. Cotton is obtained from the fruit of cotton plant. These cotton balls are picked by the hand. These balls are in the size of a lemon and fibers are separated from the seeds by combing it. This process called ginning, it is done by hand and also with the help of machines. Jute is obtained from the stem of jute plant. Here stems are made to rot in the water and fibers are separated by the process of retting. These cotton and jute fibers are made into fabric by the process of spinning and weaving. Let us know what is meant by spinning. Take a cotton wool and try to pull out some, and now roll it in your hands. This continuous twisting makes it strong, and this is now called as yarn. This process of making yarn from fibers by twisting is called as spinning. Spinning is done now with the help of the machines. But in earlier days it was done by charka and also hand spindle. Hand spindle is like a needle. It is also called as takli. Mahatma Gandhi used charka as a part of independence movement, and he asked people to buy homespun yarn instead of buying cloths from the Britain. After spinning, yarns are made into fabrics by weaving and knitting. In weaving, two sets of yarn are taken and are arranged close together to make a fabric. This fabric is made with the help of looms. One is power loom, other is a hand loom. When we take knitting, in knitting, one set of yarn is used and fabric is made with the help of needles. It is done usually by the hand. Children, here is an activity for you to know the weaving pattern. Take two color paper and fold it into half. Draw lines with more space like a ruled sheet in both the papers. Cut one sheet along these lines to get vertical pieces. It is a one set of yarn. Cut another sheet till the end but not fully. This is second set of yarn. Insert these vertical pieces into horizontal pieces on the sheet to get a pattern as shown in the picture. Try this in your home and learn the weaving pattern. So in this session we have learned how yarn is made from fiber and how fabric is made from the yarn. Next we can know about history of clothing material. Cloths help us to look smart and feel good, and these cloths protect us from the heat, cold, rain and also insect bites. What did ancient people do for the clothing? Ancient people used the bark and big leaves of the trees or animal skin and fur, which is the hair of animals, to cover themselves to protect them from climatic conditions and also from the insects. Usually, these ancient peoples were nomadic. They moved from one place to other place in search of food and shelter. When they are moving, they practiced farming and they started to settle in agricultural communities and they learned to grow crops. At that time, they learned to weave twigs, grasses, and sticks to make the mats and baskets. And then they used vines to make long strands and weave this into fabric and wore it. Apart from this, animal fleece or hair was also twisted together to make strands and also fabric was made. Early Indians grew cotton along river Ganga and made fabrics using this cotton. People in Egypt also cultivated cotton and flax near river Nile and they made fabric with this flax. In those days, stitching was not known to the people. So people wore cloth just by draping it. Saris, dhotis, turban were the example of cloths worn by draping without stitching. Once the sewing needle was invented, they learned to stitch the cloths. Needles were made with the help of bones and was used for the stitching. Different size of needles were available now and sewing machines are in different models to stitch many designs of dresses. How we eat, so many varieties of food in the country. Like same way, fabric are also available in more varieties in different regions of the country. People used to wear different type of clothes in different states of the countries. Here is a uses of cotton. This cotton we know is a soft and makes our body cool. It is used to make shirts, pants, bedspreads, towels, pillows, curtains. Jute is used to make gunny bags, sacks, and nowadays even furnitures are made up of jute. This is time to ask question, children. The first is, what is spinning? Name some devices used for spinning of fibers. The second question is, write the difference between weaving and knitting. Third question is, what type of clothing did ancient people wore? Fourth question is, which invention made people to wear different designs of cloths nowadays? The last question is, explain the process of obtaining yarn from fabrics. Thank you, children.